Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1979 factory triple black. That's black upper, black lower, black velour interior, 6.6 liter Trans Am. That is the 403 for those of you that are keeping score. Little car runs and drives excellent. I drove it home from Shawnee, which was about a 2-hour drive for me. AC blows ice cold, power steering, power disc brakes, rear defrost, AM FM stereo CD. The paint is just gorgeous. So pretty. Black cloth interior is extremely nice. Car run and drove excellent. It's factory T-tops. Really straight. Look at that shine. All the way down, all the way around. Super nice. Dual exhaust sounds awesome. This car has been to the Bandit Run according to some paperwork in the glove box. It's kind of cool. It's got its original door decals here. Really beautiful interior, gold dash. Showing 13,765 miles. I'm sure that's 113. The gauge in the middle isn't working, so they've added a couple of gauges down here to the console. The power windows just zoom up and down. Everything works well. T-tops look great. So pretty. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day. Call Fred at 580-221-4326. You can also text at that number or check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Thanks.